Hazrat Saad bin Abi Waqas radiyallahu anhu states, during the farewell pilgrimage, I neared my death because of a lot of pain. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam came to visit me, so I submitted. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you are observing what my condition is due to pain. I am an affluent person, and none will inherit from me apart my daughter. Should I give 2/3 of my property as alms? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, no. I submitted, should I give half of my property as alms? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, no. Give 1/3 of the property as charity. 1/3 is also too much. It is better to leave your heirs prosperous than leaving them destitute and dependent on others. And whatever you expend for Allah's will, you will procure its reward. Even you will get the reward for the morsel you put in your wife's mouth. I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, shall I will be left behind. My companions will go back to Medina Munawwara, and I will be left in Makkah Mukarramah. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if you are left behind, you will perform such acts seeking Allah's pleasure, which will increase and elevate your ranks. Perhaps you will be left behind remains alive. So some people, the Muslims, will get benefit from you, and the others, the non-Muslims, will suffer loss from you. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, make my companions' emigration complete, and do not make them turn back on their heels. But poor Saad bin Khawla. The reporter says that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam expressed sorry for Hazrat Saad bin Khawla radiyallahu anhu, for he passed away in Makkah Mukarramah. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4185.